Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. You can close your eyes or soften your gaze downward. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment. And let it out slowly through your mouth. Do that again. Breathe in. Hold. Release. One more time. In. Hold. Out. Good. You've already done something your brain wasn't expecting. You've stopped. You've chosen to be here instead of anywhere else. That's the first step. Now bring your attention to your body. Notice where you're sitting or lying. Feel the weight of your body pressing down. Feel the surface beneath you holding you up. Notice your feet. Are they on the floor? Can you feel the ground beneath them? Wiggle your toes if that helps. Just notice. Now bring your attention to your hands. Are they resting on your lap? On your sides? Notice the temperature. Are they warm or cool? Notice if there's any tension. You don't have to change anything. Just notice. Scan up through your body. Notice your legs, your hips, your stomach, your chest. Notice your shoulders. Are they tight? Let them drop if they are. Notice your jaw. A lot of us clench our jaws without realizing it. Let it soften. Notice your forehead. Let it smooth out. You're here, right now, in this body, in this moment. That's all you need to do. Now, I want you to think about the last time you picked up your phone without thinking. Maybe it was earlier today. Maybe it was 5 minutes ago. You didn't decide to do it. Your hand just moved. You unlocked the screen. You opened an app. And then you were gone. Scrolling, watching, consuming. Time disappeared. This isn't a judgment. This is just what happened. Your brain has been trained to do this. It's not your fault. But it is your responsibility to notice it. So right now, I want you to feel what that impulse feels like. That restless itch, that pull toward distraction, that need to check, to scroll, to fill the space. Can you feel it? Even now, sitting here, there's a part of you that wants to be somewhere else. doing something else, consuming something else. Notice that feeling. Don't push it away. Don't judge it. Just see it clearly. This is the pattern. And the first step to changing it is seeing it for what it is, a habit. Not who you are, just a loop your brain has learned. And habits can be unlearned. Now bring your attention back to your breath. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Each breath is a reset. Each breath is a choice. You are choosing to be here, right now, instead of being pulled somewhere else. And here's the truth. You don't need constant stimulation. You don't need to fill every moment with something. Your brain has convinced you that boredom is unbearable, but it's not. Boredom is just space, and space is where clarity lives. So right now, I want you to practice being with the space. Breathe in, breathe out. Let the stillness be here. If your mind wanders, that's fine. It will. That's what minds do. But when you notice it's wandered, gently bring it back to your breath. That's the practice. Notice. Return. Notice. Return. You're training your brain to focus. You're teaching it that it's safe to be still. You're showing it that you don't need the next hit of dopamine to feel okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. You are rewiring right now with every breath. Now I want you to imagine your attention as something you own, not something that gets stolen, not something that gets hijacked, something you choose to give. Think about what you want to give your attention to, not what the algorithm wants, not what the noise wants, what you want. Maybe it's a project you've been avoiding. Maybe it's a conversation with someone you care about. Maybe it's a book you want to read. Maybe it's just being present in your own life. Whatever it is, see it clearly. Feel what it would be like to give your full attention to that thing. Not distracted, not half present, fully there. That's yours. That's always been yours. You just forgot. So right now, make a decision. When you leave this meditation, what will you give your attention to? Not forever, just for the next hour, just for the next 10 minutes. Choose something intentional. Choose something real. And when the impulse comes, because it will, to pick up your phone, to scroll, to escape, pause. Take a breath and ask yourself, is this where I want to be right now? Most of the time, the answer will be no. And that pause, that breath, that question, that's how you break the loop. Bring your attention back to your body one more time. Feel yourself here, grounded, present, whole. Take one more deep breath in. Hold it. And release. You've done something important today. You've practiced being still. You've practiced choosing. You've practiced reclaiming your mind. This isn't a one-time fix. This is a practice. Come back to this when you need it. Come back to your breath when the noise gets loud. Come back to the pause when the impulse pulls you. You are not your habits. You are the one who chooses. Now, when you're ready, open your eyes and move forward with intention.